Do you really need property insurance? Well, check out these clips and tell me. This is what happened to my rental property, and luckily I had insurance. The condo was doing some work and it flooded and ruined their entire property. Luckily, we have insurance, so they have insurance will cover you with a place to stay. They'll put you up in a hotel, cover your meals or Airbnb. They'll replace all your belongings and they'll cover all the damages. Without insurance, we would have been down at least. I don't even want to speculate how much it would cost to replace a new floor, maybe at least $20,000. So I know, plus the place to stay was at least $100 a night for Airbnb. Plus all the stuff that was damaged, electronics, that's a lot of money. Insurance only costs like about $15 a month roughly or so. You can obviously get different rates. So here we are 2 days after the fact, and the insurance company is working fast. They're working with the condo to try to get this fixed. But that one little leak caused by no fault of our own, of this unit's own, caused all this damage. Check this out. Home insurance actually comes with a loss of use coverage. So this means they'll pay for you to stay somewhere. And hopefully you choose yourself a place that's comparable to your current unit, or has a better view. So here we are, December 11th at the rental. Came to take a look at what they did. Looks like the floor is done. Smells like fresh new floor. Looks like they've painted it. Yeah, looks like we're making some progress. Still gotta reinstall the kitchen though. It's been a long journey, almost 2 months. Hopefully this is wrapped up before Christmas. As you know, the world slows down during Christmas, so we'll see what happens next week. So after seeing all those clips, are you still confused about whether you need property insurance or not? I mean, I'm not here to fearmonger, but if that could happen to me, it could happen to anybody. So for the sake of this whole video, property insurance refers to homeowners insurance and tenants insurance. So if you're a homeowner, you most likely have to get it. Most times when you go for your mortgage and you do your closing with a lawyer, they make you get homeowners insurance. Like, they need proof of it. As a tenant, that's where things get tricky, because you're not sure whether you need it, whether your landlord has it. So if you're renting, yes, you need it, because your landlord's insurance will only cover the structure of the unit. It won't cover your personal property. Like, your laptop is on you. That's your problem. So as a renter, you have to factor all those things. And now, just to combine homeowners insurance and renters insurance, here's why you need any kind of property insurance. One is the personal property coverage. Like, even if you're thinking you don't have that much stuff, trust me, if you write everything down and you tally up everything that you probably have way more than you think. So insurance for property coverage or contents coverage could start at $10,000. It could be customized. Keep in mind, every insurance policy could be customized. Let's just say it starts at $10,000. You may think you don't need that, but once you tally everything up, you'll be like, dang, I got a lot. We're talking about your jewelry, your laptops, your favorite pair of jeans, your shirts, your bed, your couch. It adds up. And I mean, you're probably thinking, why would someone steal my couch? Well, it's not just about someone stealing your couch. Property insurance and the personal property coverage covers your stuff, whether it's damage, it could be whatever's covered under your policy. It could be an accidental fire that, you're cooking one day, you get distracted, you're on social media, and a little fire starts, it makes some damage, but it's accidental and it's covered. And your couch gets ruined, other stuff gets ruined, it'll be covered. Someone vandalizes your place, breaks into it, that could be covered. Someone could easily break into your house. Not easy, but what I mean. We're mostly home now. But just say you're gone, someone could break in, steal your laptop, damage your couch, and then you'd be on the hook for all that. And then any other kind of personal property loss or covered damage would be covered. And if that's not enough to think about, there's also a lot out of your control. So every insurance policy, every home, homeowners, tenants insurance policy comes with personal liability coverage, and this goes up to $100,000, and this could cover the legal fees. And I know you're thinking, oh, like my friend wouldn't sue me, I don't need that, but I mean, stuff happens. Someone could be at your place doing work, and they fall and they trip, or you could have a friend of a friend over, and they fall, they get injured, and they could sue you. You'd be on the hook for a lot of money. So your personal liability coverage would pay for, the court fees and all these costs associated with that. And usually, property insurance comes with what's called medical payments to others. So that would also pay for their medical bills if they were to go to the hospital and need an X-ray or whatever. Hopefully, it doesn't happen, but I mean, life happens. And also along those lines, an accident can happen. Like in this case, the place got flooded by the condo. So luckily it was a ground floor, not luckily, but whatever. It was a lot of ground floor units, nobody else got damaged. So we have to just deal with our own damages. But if you accidentally left the sink running, left the bathtub running, and you flooded the units below you, you'd be on the hook. That's a lot of money. We're talking floor gets replaced, personal property, you get sued, so much. And finally, the main benefit of any kind of property insurance is the loss of use coverage. So where are you going to stay, right? Like, let's say your place gets flooded, it gets burned, it gets vandalized. You still need a place to stay, and you don't want to be begging your buddies to stay on the couch, especially if you have kids or anybody. You don't want to be dealing with that. So loss of use coverage, there's obviously coverage limits which you set when you make your policy. It could be $15,000, $10,000, $20,000. That would pay for your Airbnb costs, your hotel, your meals, dry cleaning if your clothes got damaged. It would cover all of those bills. And I mean, I don't know about you, but I don't want to be paying for a hotel every single night. Especially if I didn't do anything, especially if it's damage that was done to my place. So quick recap, that insurance policy, that homeowner's insurance policy, that could cost you $15, $20, $30, whatever it could cost you a month. That could save you all that money from the personal property coverage, the personal liability coverage, and the loss of use coverage. But believe me, I didn't think I needed homeowner's insurance until this whole situation, and I'm lucky I have it. So if you're on the fence about property insurance, I mean, hopefully this video convinces you that you need it and exactly what it covers. For more information on property insurance, renter's insurance, homeowner's insurance, check out the links in the description, and let me know if you have any comments about insurance, because this little investment could save you thousands and thousands of dollars on top of all the headache.